It's been a big year for Archer Aviation Incorporated, NYSE, ACHR, a major player in electric vertical takeoff and landing, (eVTOL) aircraft, and today, the company announced that its flight test program has hit a key milestone. Building on 4 years of flight testing which began in 2019, including 2 years of full-scale flight testing of Archer's Maker aircraft, Midnight's flight envelope is on track to rapidly advance from hover to full wing-borne flight over the coming months, helping pave the way to begin for credit testing with the FAA next year, says the company. This next phase of Archer's flight test program is only possible because of the 4 years of flight testing we've done. Midnight is building on the successes of its predecessor aircraft and represents another significant step forward in Archer's path to commercialization, said Archer's founder and CEO Adam Goldstein. The next year and a half will be focused on continuing to rapidly advance our flight test program and Archer's electric air taxi operations as we prepare to bring Midnight to market in 2025. The milestone follows closely upon announcement of a deal between Archer and the UAE to establish commercial air taxi service. Also in 2023, the company raised another $215 million in funding and received a special airworthiness certificate for the Midnight eVTOL. Having taken 7 full-size eVTOL aircraft from design to flight test during my career in the eVTOL industry, today's milestone with Midnight marks the most significant flight to date, bringing Archer and the eVTOL industry another step closer to bringing a scalable and commercially viable aircraft to market, said Archer COO Tom Muniz. Simultaneous with the Midnight flight test program, Archer intends to continue Maker's flight test program as well as flying simulated commercial routes to continue to advance the company's operational readiness. Archer's goal is to transform urban travel, replacing 60-90-minute commutes by car with estimated 10 to 20-minute electric air taxi flights that are safe, sustainable, low noise, and cost competitive with ground transportation, says the company. Archer's Midnight is a piloted, 4-passenger aircraft designed to perform rapid back-to-back flights with minimal charge time between flights.